Hey there, thanks for joining me in this video today. If you're a virtual assistant and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you are definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that. Mighty Sites allows you to launch your own websites in literally less than a minute. There's no coding, it makes creating websites super fast and simple, and it's only going to cost you $9 a month. There's a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed for that free trial. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and just give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for the various small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So, I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, virtual assistants. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's Mighty Sites a few basic details about our virtual assistant business so it generates a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We do have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to service. Click on continue. Let Mighty Sites create a simple website with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. You'd like to personalize your website a little bit, maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any sort of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So I'm going to head to the top. I'm going to show you, walk you through some of the sections and just show you how easy it is to use. Let's get cracking. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here first of all. And I want to make sure that email address is visible for my customers if they want to reach out. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box there. The email address is now visible. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. If you obviously a virtual assistant, maybe you don't want to put in a physical location, so you can leave it off. But if you do put one, it will display on your website. Great thing about that physical location, your customers can actually click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, go ahead and head on over to update logo. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can actually click on that pencil directly over it to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. If you're happy, click on save over here on the right so you can make it bigger and smaller to suit your business needs. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them to go with your branding and your logo, you don't need to know color coding at all. Click on the paint bucket, bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's bound to be one that's suitable for your business, and we are adding more color palettes every single week. Now, for each section you want to make changes to, click on update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, you can go back to the photo options and you now have the option to actually connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. Mighty Sites will allow you to automatically pull in all those images, and you don't have to upload them all individually. It saves you a lot of time. Under update action is where you can change those buttons, the text displayed on the button, as well as where the button's linked to. You can even upload a PDF file, so when your customers click on that button, it will download the PDF file automatically to or display it. Under update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you as a guideline. Of course, we pretty much just wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your virtual assistant business. Now, in the last section, the lead generation form is where your customers can easily reach out to you, put in their details, click on send. You will get notified by your registered email address that you have a new lead from this form. Also, find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. Marty Sites also allows you, gives you the option to connect a custom domain. If you'd like to do that, click on the yellow button at the bottom. Say I already have a domain to set it up. Otherwise, if you'd actually like to purchase a new domain, make your website look more trustworthy, professional, click on that green button to purchase one. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your virtual assistant business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.